Good morning, everyone. I'm at Flinders Station now. Today is Tuesday and it's Dora Day. My Dora buddies. Ay, ang gusto ko yung attire mo. Hello! Ayan. Para you can see us doon sa ano sa YouTube ko. Conservatory. Treasure Gardens. What?
Diyan tayo muna o diyan?
Ikaw?
Pulin. Autumn na talaga siya. Ganda.
Ang ganda. Tapos mag-picture tayo dito. Mga kids ah.
Buti na talaga
Wow.
But mas maganda doon. Yung nakaano siya. Oh my God. Yan. Tapos isaburak natin. Sige, puro. Ang ganda. Ang ganda nga. Ito oh. Sabi ko nga parang, sige ate, dyan po tayo ng dahon. Tapos gano'n natin naka-slope.
Ay, ganun. Maganda itong ano. Kaya pala sila nandyan.
Ayaw nga.
Sige, lagay mo lang dyan. Okay lang, ilagay mo lang. Meron, nagpipicture din sila.
Pasok tayo dito sa loob.
Picture.
Dito ate.
Dito. We're at Fitzroy Garden.
Anong garden
The
to?
Dora is at Fitzroy Garden today, guys. Oh, the trees here are really beautiful. Look. And there is fountain. I can photoshoot you there.
Kaya nga doon oh. Gila dyan. Alam mo yung view doon sa ano ko pa dyan.
Yes. Oh, the red trees. Wow. It's really good to Dora when it's weekdays because there's not a lot of people. When it was weekends, there's a lot of people. Okay. Sila muna.
Hindi doon. Opo. Tapos yung view doon sa mga.
Oo. Okay. Wow! Okay. I'll take the picture. I just wanna show you. Oh, talbos ng kamote. Oh, so ganda. Wow. Wow! Oh, ang ganda. Conservatory. Sweet potato. You can take picture here of like you own this garden. Oh. Wow.
Kumari.
Mm. Conservatory. It's free, guys. It's free to come here. Oh. This is Fitzroy Garden. Oh, they have a panda bear. That's so nice. Nag-ano din sila. Parang, it seems like they have a business tour. Chinese business tour, kind of. Oh, that's a cute house.
May bayad.
Oh, may bayad.
Info desk.
Saan daw tayo kakain? Parang we can't eat here. We can't eat here because it's yung taga-Jewin. Nagto-touristing in Malbon. Tourist ba? Information Center.
Oh, that's nice. Tingnan mo.
You can ask. You can buy souvenirs. Oh, I like this one. Wow. That was so panis ang motorbike. Oh. That's the kind of bike I like.
Natawa ko rin sa di ba may kinanong pang video na may sidecar pa.
Oo.
Sabi ko, ang cute niya. Natawa sila. Parang masakit din siya. 2, 3, go. Okay, wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, go. Ate. Hey. Go.
Swanson Street. Naalala ko yung palit tayo nung stamps.
Hindi, kayo yun. Wala, di ako sa...
Ayo pala. Si Cecil, ako at saka si Christy. Yung nag-collect kami ng stamps. Japanese, Chinese food. Ayan o. What you think? Ay, parang pwede dito tayo.
Ha?
Pwede rin tayo dito. Maraming choices.
Daming mga magpipilian. Ano sa'yo? Ito, may mga restaurant.
Pwede na tayo dito. Yeah, we can. Stir-fried clams. Pwede na 28 oh. Isa dun sa 80 to 100.
Dito tayo?
Let's go. Tara, para doon makaan na tayo. Wonton.
Ito ba yung number mo?
Parang. Pork? Maputong pork?
Ah, okay. Ano yan? Beef.
Parang ang healthy living naman.
Meron din dun eh. Chopsticks. Okay.
Yung
Free transport.
free transport. Hanggang saan? May. Katapusan.
Pwede pa, pwede pa. May isa pa nun. Sakay tayo dito?
Dito tayo sa isa. Oh, Southern Cross, tara.
Sige.
Nana. Last coffee for today. Cheers. Cheers. Oh, wala pa lang ano. Ano ba yun? And we're at Southern Cross Station. Guys, nasa Southern Cross na kami. Saan yun? Uwi, ano?
Uwi na.
Bye-bye.
Doon tayo.